A massive thunderstorm hit the Birmingham area Tuesday evening, knocking out power and sending local businesses into some level of chaos. The Edge movie theater in Crestwood area of Birmingham, all power was out, as were many businesses nearby. Here you'll see people remaining after their movies cut out halfway through, waiting for the rain and lightning to let up. Lightning's about every 2 to 5 seconds, maybe 5 to 10 seconds right now, and people are just waiting for it to pass.